Hello viewers, welcome to your YouTube channel Science Goal. Today in this video we are going to talk about heart sound, that is lub and dub. So here you can see two heart diagram I have drawn to explain lub sound and dub sound separately. Let's start. I will try to explain it in a simpler way. So students, first we will talk about lub and then dub sound. Okay, students, I'm sure you all aware about the device stethoscope. Yes, stethoscope is the device which help us to hear the heart sound, that is lub and dub. But what is the mechanism behind the sound? There must be some mechanism behind the sound, isn't it? That we will see on this video. Let's start. So students, lub is the first heard sound. Lub is the first heard sound that produced by the closure of these two valves, atrioventricular valves, that is also called tricuspid and bicuspid valves. Here dub is the second heard sound. Dub is the second heard sound that produced by the closure of these two semilunar valves, that is also called pulmonary valves and aortic valves. Next, students, there is some changes occur. Okay, when we heard the sound lub and dub, let's see. In lub, if you say the first point of difference, ventricular systole occurs. When we heard the sound lub, ventricular systole occurs. Ventricular systole occurs. It means ventricles now contracting. Okay, ventricles now contracting. It means ventricles pushing the blood towards aorta and pulmonary artery. Here, atrial systole occur. Atrial systole occur. It means from atria bloods enters into ventricles. Okay, atrial systole means atrial now in contracting condition, or we can say contracting mode. Okay, sikurjana. Next, here next point of difference, here in lub sound, atrial diastole occur. Atrial diastole, or we can say atria now in relaxing mode, or we can say dilating or dilation. Here ventricular diastole occur. Ventricular diastole means ventricles now in relaxing mode, or we can say dilating or dilation. Third point of difference, ventricular muscles here contracting. Here atrial muscles contracting. Fourth point of difference, tricuspid and bicuspid valves closes with a jerk, producing the sound that is lub. Here pulmonary and aortic valves closes with a jerk, producing a sound that is dub. Fifth point of difference, blood passes into aorta and pulmonary artery through semilunar valves. Here blood enters ventricles through tricuspid and bicuspid valves. So these are the point of difference between lub sound and dub sound. So students, you have to remember the main important point is that atrioventricular valves closes and producing a sound that is lub, and semilunar valves closes producing a sound that is called dub. And student, rate of heartbeat varies among different species and even in individuals on the same species. Okay, so let's see some example. For example, in whale, heartbeats means in 1 minute, that is 15 times. Okay, in case of whale, that is a mammal, 15 times heartbeat in 1 minute. In elephant, 25 times in 1 minute. In horse, 40 times in 1 minute. In adult man, that is 64 to 72 times in 1 minute. In adult woman, 72 to 80 times in 1 minute. And in cat, 120 times. Newborn baby, or we can say newborn infant, 140 times. 140 times. Okay. In rat, 250 times. Sparrow, okay, in sparrow it is 800 to 900 times in 1 minute. So students, can you find any relationship between the size of the body and the rate of heartbeat? Yes. Yes, smaller the size, faster the heart rate. Smaller the size, faster the heart rate. And this is because smaller the animals, the more it loses its body heat, okay, due to higher surface volume ratio, and therefore the increased heart rate distributes body heat faster. Okay. So in case of sparrow, they show vigorous activity, isn't it? Vigorous activity, they are so active. It means the heart is beating so fast. Okay, that is why they are having 800 to 900 times means heart rate. Okay, heart beating time is 800 to 900 times in 1 minute. So this is all about the heart sound lub and dub.